How can I download and print free 1099 forms?
Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to download and print free 1099 forms. These are important tax documents for businesses, and getting them right is critical. So, let's dive in.
What is a 1099 form?
The 1099 form is a series of IRS tax forms used in the United States to prepare and file information returns. If you have paid certain types of income, you must issue a 1099 form. It serves as a record that you paid someone a certain amount of money during the tax year.
Where can I find free 1099 forms?
You can download free 1099 forms from the official IRS website. The IRS provides free downloadable and printable versions of these forms for your convenience. However, be aware that you cannot submit these printed copies to the IRS, they are for your records only.
How do I download a 1099 form?
1. Navigate to the IRS website. 2. Use the search function to find the 1099 form you need. 3. Click on the link for the form you want. 4. You will be redirected to a page where you can download the form as a PDF file. 5. Click on the download button to save the form to your device.
How do I print a 1099 form?
After you've downloaded the 1099 form to your device, 1. Locate the PDF file in your device. 2. Open the file using a PDF reader software. 3. Go to the File menu and select the Print option. 4. Ensure that your printer settings are correct and that you have enough paper. 5. Print the form. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to download and print free 1099 forms. Remember, these forms are crucial for tax reporting, so it's important to handle them correctly. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful to you.